Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. Okay guys, this is a very very quick short video. Okay, as you guys already see the title, I just thought I would share a quick meal idea for large family, quick dinner. Okay, so let me show you guys using some of my grocery from Iceland and Aldi. Okay guys, so let me show you guys what I'm making. You guys may already know what it is, but let me show you guys still. Okay guys, pardon the the mess there. So today I'm making a quick dinner. I was going to start videoing, but then I forgot, so immediately I remembered. I quickly went to go and grab my camera. Okay guys, so if you are confused on a quick dinner to make, I'm making spaghetti bolognese, let me call it that way, but it's just spaghetti. I'm not using the bolognese sauce, rather I'm going to be using this onion and garlic sauce from Aldi. Okay, over here I have my meat from Iceland. I just added garlic to it. The garlic I bought from Iceland, you guys know the crushed garlic I bought from Iceland, the frozen one. Okay, and then I bought this meat from Iceland. Let me show you guys the pack over here. So this is the pack. It's my recent haul that I posted. Okay, so I'm making dinner now, and this is from Aldi. I'm going to be adding some of this to the meat so that there will be vegetable inside. So this is a quick dinner. You can also make this for lunch as well if you want, but we are having this for dinner. Okay, you guys can already see that my vegetable here is almost getting finished. Okay, yeah, because we boil it as well and eat it with rice and all that as well. So all I'm doing here, I just brown the meat. And then I've already added garlic to it. That was when I remember, oh my god, I was going to film this video. So I just added some vegetable to it, and then I'm going to be adding the sauce, our spaghetti over here. So the spaghetti, I just boiled hot water, add it to the pan, put it in the cooker. When it was boiling a bit more, I added a bit of salt. That's all I added here. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of cooking oil, or you can use olive oil. I have olive oil, so maybe I will add olive oil. The olive oil, my mom gave it to me, but you can buy olive oil from any store. The cooking oil is from Aldi. So in here there's no cooking oil, there's nothing. It's just the meat itself with garlic and the vegetables. But I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil from Aldi. Okay, so for those of you who are wondering what I make with my grocery haul, so this is part of the meal that I make with my grocery haul. Okay guys, let me quickly get my cooking oil. So guys, this is my olive oil, which I'm going to be adding a bit to the spaghetti. You know, spaghetti cook very fast guys. In order to stop it from cooking, you need to off it, run cold water on it, so it stops cooking, so it doesn't overcook. So I'm going to take it out and drain the water out pretty soon. I think I'm going to do that before I add the oil to it. I'll drain it, and then I don't want it to burn. And I'm using a metal spoon for my pot, but I'm not scratching the bottom of it. Okay, so I'm going to drain it a bit because I think it's okay like this. It's still going to continue cooking anyway. That's spaghetti, so I try not to cook it like I just cook it a bit. It's still got a bit of hardness to it. Okay, and then I drain it, leave it in the pot, add the oil, the veggie oil, the extra olive virgin oil. This particular one I'm using here, my mom gave it to me anyway, but you can buy olive oil. So, and this is cooking oil from Aldi, which I'm going to add a little bit to the meat because the meat already has oil, but I like adding just a bit to it as well. So the oil is from Aldi. Okay, so it's browned already now, and I'm going to be adding this sauce for this onion and garlic sauce. Guys, I'm so tired. I came from work a few hours ago. I'm sounding so tired because I'm tired, but I have to make dinner. I'm not going to work tonight until tomorrow again. Okay, yeah, so it's making my voice to sound pretty tired. So I'm going to be adding the sauce to it now. Okay, before we do that, let me quickly empty the spaghetti so it doesn't overcook. I'm using my hand to hold the camera, so I'm going to have to come back when I drain it. Okay guys. Okay guys, so as I said, most of you already know what this is. So I've added a trick I'm sure some of you already know. When you are draining your spaghetti, don't drain all the water off. Okay, don't drain all the water off your spaghetti so it doesn't stick together too much. Okay, so I can be standing a bit. Okay, so our spaghetti is ready. You guys can see that I've already drained it for a bit now, like going to almost 5 minutes. I know it doesn't look like 5 minutes, but going to almost 5 minutes. Yes, it's still cooking. Can you guys imagine that spaghetti? In order to stop it from cooking, you need to pour cold water and rinse it out. That will stop the cooking process. But anyway, the spaghetti is ready. That's spaghetti, and then I'm going to be adding the sauce now to the minced meat with vegetable. I forgot to show you guys the spaghetti I'm using. Is from Iceland. It's this big pack of spaghetti. Iceland have different brands, so this was one of the brands they sell there. It's a big pack. They used to sell them for £4, this big pack. I can't even know. I can't remember the price. I think the price now. I haven't bought spaghetti for a while because I always buy big ones. But this one is running out now. I think it's between £4 and £5, or maybe they've increased the price to £5 something or £6. I'm not so sure right now. So I just added the sauce, guys. As you can see, I just added the sauce. I'm going to be adding some seasoning cube, some salt, what else, a bit of chili pepper, and some paprika, and a little bit of garam masala. That's all I'm going to be adding. Okay, so I'm going to be adding that behind the camera because I'm using my hand to hold the camera. I can't do that if I'm holding the camera. So let me quickly add it and I'll come back. Alright guys, so I've added my seasoning cube, added some black pepper, added some chili pepper, added a little bit of garam masala, paprika. Guys, I'm so sorry I'm a bit slow today because if I tell you guys 12 hours shift, it's not an easy shift. 12 hours shift working as a healthcare assistant is no joke. Okay, so it's making me a little bit slow because I'm tired. So I've added everything. I'm just stirring it now. Okay, so you guys can see there's vegetables in there. So we do eat a lot of vegetables, even though some people think we don't. Because of my shopping haul, you don't see a lot of vegetables. That's because I tend to buy them off camera sometimes, and then we have a lot in the freezer. Apart from the minced veg, always run out fast. Okay, and I always buy the vegetable that we like to eat. I don't like buy the ones that we are not going to eat at the end of the day. That would just be like a waste of money. Alright, so that's our sauce. Our spaghetti is here, ready to be eaten. So that's the sauce. I'm just waiting for it to cook. I'm going to cover it. Yeah guys, and I'm going to show you guys the end results, okay? In 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so that's our spaghetti with the sauce ready. Looks yum, isn't it? Closer look, closer look, closer look. Doesn't that look delicious? It sure does. Let me show you guys the pot. Okay, so that's the pot. I'm going to call everyone to come and eat now, to come and take the quantity they can eat. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, It's a quick dinner. You can also have it as lunch. Idea for large family. Okay, in case you don't want to stress yourself cooking too much, you can just make something like this, fast and easy and quick to eat. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.